Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025, and as you guys can see, my profit is $7,000, which is just absolutely amazing. I'll show you all the breakdown, everything that I've done to make this profit. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, the market overall has been absolutely insane today. Given that previous weeks or month, I would say it's just been going down, like just rallying all the way down to the ground because of all the tariffs and everything that's been going on lately. But today, oh my god, everything just went straight up. It was just like, if you didn't make any money today, I don't think you should be trading at all. So yeah, let me just go through this trade with Nvidia right here just to show you how I actually made my profits. So like I said, I haven't been doing much trading since everything has been going down. All I did was I wanted to get in and just pretty much do a nice swing trade. So this is what I did. I took my first trade. So as you guys can see, like you literally can see, like the last time I sold was back in March 14th. So since then I haven't done anything. I haven't posted anything. You know, I've just been loading up and just waiting for today, a day like this. So yeah, I got in back in March 26th with only 100 shares, nothing too crazy, at 113, and that's when everything started to go down. Again, you don't try to buy the dip because then you're gonna get hurt. You know, I keep saying that on this channel because you know you want to make sure you wait until some sort of confirmation, then you can get in. So that's what I did. I waited until everything just kept rallying, going down, and that's what I did. So let's just zoom in here a little bit so you guys could see it kept testing, and then we consolidated for a little bit, going in for a reversal, but then it got rejected. If you take a look at this, EMA line right here, you guys could see that this is also a resistance. So if we do go through this EMA line, which it is testing today, then we'll know if we're actually, you know, not so much in a bearish. But so far they're saying we're in a bearish market, so we're just going to take it as face value. So getting back to the trade, you guys could see that I waited, it tested, it tried to do a reversal, and then, you know, everything just started selling off, given the fact that with the tariffs and everything, with Trump going through, you know, you guys watch the news. If you watch the news lately, you guys could see that this is the reason why everything went down. And that's when I decided, okay, so when I got in at 113, we went down pretty much a significant amount. We went down, let's say about, that's almost 22% or so. We went down that much, and then I decided, okay, if I'm going to make this a successful swing trade, I would have to actually average down. And then I went in 500 shares, making it 600 total, and that's when my average share went down from 113.44 to 98.29. I do have the video of me selling out of it. Yesterday we did get a nice rally, which I was going to sell out, but that did not meet my criteria. The profit that I actually wanted to make for this swing trade was actually $5,000 or so, so that didn't meet. And then that's when today we actually, this was the previous day, sorry. So this day, yesterday, so yesterday we had that pretty much fake pump. It went all the way up and then it just dumped right down. So yeah, if we take a look, it was on Monday where we had the nice pump up, and then where we had the nice rally up, and then like literally 2 seconds after, everything just pretty much dumped all the way down. However, we still closed a bit higher at 97.66. Again, this wasn't close to where my average price was. My average price, like I said before, is 98.29, and we did get a nice push, but the day after, and we did go up a significant amount to 104, which was yesterday, is what I was mentioning. We did go up, and then everything just pretty much went all the way back down to 95. And again, for this trade, I pretty much wanted to wait until I actually walked away with the profits that I intended to walk away with. And that's when I actually sold out at 108.51. When the news came out that Trump decided he wanted to pause all the tariffs and everything, that's when I decided, okay, I'm gonna get out of this trade. It didn't meet my profit that I wanted to make. Sure, I did leave some more profit on the table, but that's okay. In a perfect world, like I keep mentioning, you know, you can't actually sell at the absolute top, you know. again, I made a plan. This is my plan. Wanted to walk away with at least 5,000 on this trade, and that's what I did. Walked away with $6,132 or something like that. And then I wanted to get into the next trade that I've done. I traded Broadcom. So Broadcom was actually a really nice one for me. If I go to the 180 day, you know, I haven't traded Broadcom since like last year or so. You guys could see I haven't really traded this. So same thing, I went in 100 shares. I didn't decide to average down on this because I was focusing more on Nvidia. This has been, you know, always my game player for at least this year. And I decided, you know, I'm just gonna wait until it meets my criteria for this. So I got in 172.31, and then I sold out 176.74. And for this trade, I actually walked away with $442 or so. I do have the video there. You guys could see. I could actually put it on the screen and then show you where I actually sold out. So that's another successful swing trade that I've done. So going into my other trade that I actually sold out was Google. So I actually took a trade with Google. Nothing too crazy because, again, the last time I traded Google, I got out successfully. This was back in, again, March. Like I said, I haven't been trading anything since March with all the news. I've just been taking it easy. Waited for the sell-off, got in. I did not get in heavy again. Same strategy. Went in a little bit less, not 100 shares, but a little bit less, so 50 shares. Waited for the sell-off and then pumped right back up today. Sold out 158.91. For this particular trade, I actually walked away with $316.50, which is not crazy. So it's not actually not 616, it's $316.50. So not too bad. You can actually do the calculations yourself. You know, on this channel, I'm all about showing the real side of the trades. So the actual profit is 316, like I said. So my last trade that I've actually taken would have been Meta. So Meta was a really nice one, a really nice trade that I've done, you know, but nothing too crazy because I only got in with 5 shares. You know, it's still some sort of profit. So for this one, you know, I just got in, same thing, same strategy, just wait for the sell-off. Got in way less than how much I would usually get in with, only 5 shares, nothing too crazy. And then we had this huge rally up, sold out. Again, if you look at this, you know, EMA line right here, this is where we can see, it can test to see if we're going to go back up, continue with an uptrend, or if we're going to be seeing some sort of downfall like the previous days. So, or maybe it's just going to be sideways, you know, going forward. So yeah, nothing too crazy with this trade. I walked away with 300 and so yes, I walked away with 321. I'm actually not sure why it's showing 303, but if you do check it up yourself, 506.78 minus 571.17, you guys could see that it's $321. Nothing too crazy. I do have the video. You guys could see it right there where I actually set my target. And then I sell out, walked away with my profits, and I call it a day. Again, nothing too crazy, not selling out at the absolute top. I want to make sure that's clear. You know, I'm not trying to walk away with the absolute top. I make sure, set my criteria, and then walked away. So overall, if we do take a look at it, if we go back to Nvidia right here. So overall, if we do take a look at it, I actually walked away with $7,213, which is just absolutely amazing for, you know, all those trades that I've done. I'm extremely happy with it. You know, let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys actually do in this trading market? You know, how did you actually do today? If you didn't make any money today, you probably shouldn't be trading because today was just absolutely amazing and you could have literally made money, you know, as soon as the news came out that the pause was going to happen with the tariffs and everything. If you didn't know, if you haven't been paying attention, you know, literally you can see, if I draw an arrow, you can see the trend is literally, the trend has been going upwards. So absolutely amazing day. I'm going to be chilling until we see what's happening. Again, you don't have to be trading every day. You can just do a couple swing trades here or there. Make sure you manage your risk. Make sure you manage everything that you need to. So, you know, let me ask you guys in the comment section down below. Let me know in the comment section, you know, how have you guys been doing? Have you actually made money today? Did you actually lose money today? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. I'm just going to leave it like that. Just make sure, you know, all the rules that I've always kept saying on this channel, once you follow those rules, you should be a better or somewhat a decent trader going forward. So yeah, leave it like that. Let me know in the comment section down below, and you know what to do. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification button, man, all that good stuff, man. You know, the thumbs up, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.